Walk into a luxury home, and you feel it right away. The space seems calm, inviting, and somehow special. Yet, if you look closely, there's not always more stuff. In fact, it often looks simpler, just better. You might wonder, how do they do it? Is it just about having more money? The truth is, the difference is in the details. Interior designers know tricks that make everyday rooms feel expensive. These are not just about buying fancy things. They are about how you use what you have and what you choose to show. From paint colors to where you put the couch, every choice matters. Rich homes feel different because every detail is considered. It's not magic, it's method. In this essay, I'll reveal the secrets designers use to create these special spaces. You can use these ideas in any home. Let's get started. Colors have undertones, hidden hints that make them feel warm or cool. Think of a cozy cream versus a sharp white. Even the same color can feel different depending on its undertone. Luxury homes pay close attention to this. When colors in a room share the same undertone, everything feels calm and connected. Mix warm with warm, for example, creamy whites with soft golds or tans, or go cool with grays and icy blues. But don't mix the two. That's when a space can feel off, even if you can't say why. Designers always test paint and fabrics together, even under different lights. They know that undertones can change from room to room. A color that looks perfect in the shop can look strange at home if the undertones fight. Try this at home. Lay your fabrics, paint chips, and even rugs together. Stick to one undertone family, and you'll see the magic happen. Luxury interiors don't overflow with things. Instead, they often have one or two amazing items that steal the show. This could be a stunning sofa, a striking lamp, or a beautiful piece of art. The rest of the room is designed around this star. Many people fill rooms with lots of small, average things. This can make a space feel busy, not beautiful. Designers choose one special piece and give it space. It draws the eye, starts conversations, and makes the room feel curated. A statement piece doesn't have to be expensive. It just needs to be bold. A unique chair, a colorful rug, or even something vintage. What matters is that it stands out and is given room to shine. When you shop, ask yourself, would I rather have one great item or 5 okay ones? Often, less is more. Lighting changes everything. In luxury homes, you never see just one lonely lamp. Designers use layers of light to create warmth and drama. There are 3 types you need: ambient, which is your overall light, task lighting for reading or working, and accent lighting to highlight art or corners. Using only ceiling lights can make a room feel flat. Add table lamps for soft pools of light. Use wall lights or even candles to bring in more depth. Each layer adds a new mood and helps the space feel inviting at any time of day. This trick is not only for big homes. Even a small flat can have several light sources. Try dimmers to change the vibe from bright and lively to quiet and cozy. Play with shadows and highlights, just like a professional photographer. Next time you rearrange a room, think about where light falls. The more layers, the richer your space will look. Have you noticed how rich homes always look tidy? It's not just because no one lives there. The secret is clever storage. Designers hide everyday clutter behind closed doors, inside ottomans, built-in cabinets, or even under beds. When you can't see the mess, rooms feel bigger, and honestly, so much calmer. Open shelves can look good, but only if they're perfectly styled. For most things, hidden storage is best. It's about making space for life, but not putting it all on show. Think about your own space for a moment. Could you swap an open bookcase for a cabinet? Maybe use stylish boxes in the wardrobe? Even a simple basket can tidy up toys or shoes in seconds. The goal is not just to store, but to conceal. A clutter-free look doesn't require throwing things away. It just means everything has a place, out of sight. Touch is just as important as sight in a luxury home. Quality fabrics feel soft, rich, and welcoming. Think of velvet cushions, linen curtains, or, a thick wool rug. These materials catch the light differently, adding quiet glamour. Cheap fabrics might look okay in photos but feel scratchy or thin in person. Over time, they wear out and start to look tired. High-quality textiles last longer and, honestly, improve with age. They drape better and their colors stay true. You don't have to cover your home in silk. Just pick a few key pieces, like a velvet armchair or maybe a linen throw. Even swapping polyester for cotton on your bed can make a big difference. Next time you shop, feel the fabric first. If it feels lovely, it will look lovely too. Empty space can feel uncomfortable at first. So many people want to fill every corner. But in luxury homes, empty space is used on purpose. It gives the eye a place to rest and the room a sense of calm. Designers call this negative space. Negative space makes the special things stand out. It's like a gallery. The space around a painting makes it more striking. Too many things in one area can feel cramped. Leave breathing room between your furniture, art, and decor. Try removing just one thing from each surface. See how much calmer it feels. It's not about having less, but about placing things with care. The emptiness is just as important as what's there. Let your favorite items shine by giving them room. Your home will instantly feel more elegant. Big art is a designer's secret weapon. Hanging one large piece makes a room look finished and expensive, even if the art itself wasn't costly. It draws attention and anchors the whole space. Small art can get lost or feel cluttered, but a big canvas, poster, or photo makes a statement. You can even use fabric, wallpaper, or a DIY project. The trick is, scale bigger is almost always better. Don't be afraid to go bold. If you have a small budget, look for prints or make your own. Use a simple frame or even hang it without one for a modern look. The point is to fill the wall and add drama. A single large artwork creates a sense of luxury. Try it. You'll be surprised how good it feels. You don't need a mansion to have a luxurious home. The real secret is in how you think about space. Designers work with all kinds of budgets. They create magic by making each choice count, not by filling rooms with expensive things. Focus on color, light, and texture. Hide your clutter and pick one or two show-stopping pieces. Let spaces breathe. These tricks work in a penthouse or a small flat. What matters is intention, making each choice on purpose. Luxury is about how a room feels. It's about comfort, calm, and beauty. Anyone can create this feeling. You just need to look at your home with fresh eyes. Start with one room. Try one tip. See the change. Then build from there. Luxury design isn't about money. It's about smart choices and small changes. Use color with care. Pick one amazing piece instead of many average ones. Layer your lighting. Hide your clutter. Choose fabrics that feel beautiful. Embrace empty space. Go big with art. Every home can feel elegant and calm with these simple steps. The best part? These tricks are for everyone, not just the super rich. You can create a home that feels special every single day. So take a look around your own space. What could you try first? Maybe it's changing the lights or swapping some fabrics. Perhaps it's just clearing a surface and letting it breathe. Start today. Transform your home and you'll transform your life. I promise, it's easier than you think.